That's one of the most unusual things I've ever heard of. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day. I've already filmed this introduction like 3 different times because I've said the word box more than any human should ever say the word box. But I'm gonna try to cut down on that word a little bit this go around. So today what we are going to be doing is opening up a vessel. The vessel I have here just happens to be in a rectangular shape and made out of cardboard, full of items that can be added into addition to your FabFitFun subscription for spring 2019. And I just want to say a huge thank you to FabFitFun who is sponsoring this video. I'm very, very excited to work with you guys again. If you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a subscription service that gives you full-size beauty, lifestyle, and wellness items every single season. So that means 4 times a year you'll receive a box with over $200 worth of items inside of it. The box itself is only $49.99, and if you want to use the code that I'm going to put right here on the screen and link down below in the description, you can get your very first box for $10 off, so you'll get $200 worth of stuff for only $39.99, which is not bad. Also, when you sign up and become a member, you can get access to add-on items, which you can add on to your box at a really great discounted price. And today that is what is inside my vessel over here that I'm going to show you guys. Some of the items that you can add on to your spring FabFitFun subscription. I can't reach any of my sharp objects. These things do tend to sell out quickly, so if you're interested, you might want to go ahead and check them out. And if you're already a member, you can upgrade to an annual subscription and get like early VIP access to these items. All right, so I have my little box of goodies here. I'm going to dig them on out for you guys and see what we have. All right, so I have my rectangular cardboard, another word for box.
Synonyms of box are lodge, boxful, corner, boxwood, box seat, and package.
Package. Also, what's a lodge? All right, so the very first thing in the package here is this very shiny rose gold thing from LA Tweez. I really do enjoy some shiny metallic rose gold. Ooh, and inside of here we have a little kit full of stuff. So the very first thing we have are these little squeezy devices for your eyelashes, which is an eyelash curler. I don't know. And then the next little thing in here, we have a pair of clippers with a pretty funky looking little clippy handle here. And then we also have a tiny little fingernail file here, which is made out of metal, which is pretty nice. So the first little item in here is a very cute little kit. I do think I kind of want to do a little giveaway in this video. I do already have like an eyelash curler and a pair of clippers. So yeah, I think I might do a little giveaway. So if you guys would like to be entered into the giveaway for items that might come out of this box, gotta think of some rules real fast. Okay, just be subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite item that I show you guys today, and then I will do a drawing of the winner in 2 weeks. Yeah, okay, 2 weeks, that works. So Wednesday the 20th, very random day, I'll do a little drawing for the winner, and you guys will win just a couple random items that come out of this box. Okay, next item here has just like the most interesting looking little top I've ever seen. Are those marbles? Oh yes, I like this. All right, so next up here we have something from Ava, which we have received several items from Ava before in subscription boxes. Typically they're just hand creams though. This one's very different. This is a mineral body shaper for cellulite control. Oh, that's different. I guess the little marbles inside of this like massage your cellulite. So this I'm definitely interested in trying out. I'm pretty sure like everybody on the planet has some cellulite, so it's nothing you should worry about too much, but those little marbles in there seem very fun. So I think this would be nice and relaxing to like have in the shower for like kind of a subtle massage. Oh, okay, and next up we have something else from LA Tweez, and I actually have this same exact pair of tweezers, and they're very nice. They're very, very sharp, sometimes almost a little too sharp, and they kind of like cut the hair before they pull it, but they do work quite well. And what's also super fun about these is that they have a light on them, so you know you can tweeze in the dark if you need to, if there's a power outage and you just have like a tweezing emergency, or if you have these like in your purse, which they do have like a little carrying case to put them in, and you're in some type of emergency situation, you could have like a tiny flashlight. So I think these are really cute. Probably should turn off the light, which I also would like to mention you turn on with a tiny little diamond, which is, it's pretty cute. But since I already do have a pair of these will also be included in the giveaway. All right, next up in here I'm seeing a mysterious little velvety bag. So this is from Sterling Forever. That's not what that word is. Sterling Forever. So this is supposed to be jewelry that is made to last. If it doesn't, it's on us. We will replace or repair it for free. Oh, that's pretty nice. This is a decently long necklace and it is a little bit adjustable here. So if you want it a bit longer, you can do that. And it just has a little tiny medallion looking thing on it. Now, there are two sides to this. I'm not 100% sure which side actually goes out. That's probably up to you. You can wear it like flipped either way you want. On this side, there's like some really intricate little carving. It looks a little bit like the pirate medallion from Pirates of the Caribbean. And then on the other side, it's just like a flat, plain, shiny, like gold disc. And I think either way would be really pretty to wear it. It's super simple, so you could wear it with like earrings or other jewelry if you wanted to. You could also use this as like a layering necklace. This is definitely right up my alley because I typically wear like very, very simple jewelry. Jewelry. Do I say jewelry? Jeweler. Do I say that weird? All right, next up in here, we have a very interesting item. This is a derma roller. And if you guys have never seen one before, just picture like a razor, but at the end, instead of a razor blade, it's like a tiny little rolling pin with itty bitty 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 little needles sticking out of it. It sounds like a medieval torture device or something, but it's actually not. It is meant for making like super, super, super small little abrasions in the skin, which is supposed to like boost cell regeneration. So like if the cell is damaged, it like regenerates, and then people use it on like wrinkles and stretch marks and things like that. I have actually tried one of these before, but my needles were not this small, and I'm really wishing that I had got needles this small. These are only 0.25 millimeters. This is what I'm talking about. It's got like the smallest ever little tiny little needles. I mean, you honestly can barely see them. If you are going to use something like this, I would definitely look up like how to use it and how to sterilize it and keep it clean, that kind of stuff, because it does like poke your skin. Oh, it actually feels really nice. I like how I'm completely avoiding all of the advice I just gave everybody, but it actually feels good on the skin, kind of like you're scratching an itch. I'm gonna look up a little bit more information about it, and then I'll probably use it like on my face to maybe try to get rid of some of my like deep set forehead crevices. All right, next up here seems like a very interesting product. This is from Tula Probiotic Skincare, and this is a kefir replenishing cleansing oil, which is supposed to be a gentle moisturizing cleanser for all skin types. This comes in a nice like pretty purple bottle with a pump to it, and you get 4.7 fluid ounces in here, which is nice. I'm gonna give it a little sniff. Okay, it smells like nothing, which I guess could be good if you're gonna put it on your face, especially if you're sensitive to scents. Next up in the way of cleanser here, we have something from Pure, and this is the In the Clear Clarifying Cleanser. That's a lot of C words. And this is supposed to exfoliate, clarify, and help balance oily and breakout prone skin. And oh boy, if I do have breakout prone skin. Oh, that's a fun bottle. All right, so here we have the cleanser, and it's in this like awesome kind of sea foam green, and the cleanser itself is actually that color. The bottle is really cool at the bottom as well. And with this one, you get 4 fluid ounces, and you're only supposed to use a pea-size amount of it. Oh, that's minty. So this one is fragranced. It smells a lot like peppermint or spearmint or some type of mint. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one out. I have been breaking out quite a bit recently, so maybe that'll help clear me up a little bit here. And since I did receive 2 different cleansers, I'll probably put the cleansing oil in a giveaway as well. Okay, next up in here, something I need desperately. Okay, so this is a little red bottle of emergency stain rescue. So this is professional grade, contains no phosphates, peroxide, or chlorine. That's good. On the back it says, hate stains, love life. And if you guys are new to this channel, hello, welcome. My name is Alexandria, and I'm a human walking disaster. That's just, yeah. So this I'm definitely gonna give a try. That's fantastic for my life. All right, so next up here we have the Pure Make It Matte Oil Mattifying Blotting Stick, which is supposed to, oh, you can put this on before makeup application and then on top of makeup as needed without disturbing your finished look. So this is supposed to like get rid of your oils on your skin even when you're wearing makeup. I just put on my makeup not too long ago, so I'm not super oily right now, but I guess I could try it on my nose. That's where I definitely tend to get the oiliest. Doesn't say if you're just supposed to just swipe it on or what, but here we go. It does feel a bit less oily than the other side though. I can't really tell if it's taken off my makeup at all. Okay, this one I'm not too sure about. I can kind of see like where my makeup's been removed a little bit here, right on my nostril. That could have been from like me using my fingers. Maybe you're not supposed to do that. Maybe you're just supposed to use the stick. But yeah, I will continue to give this a try. Maybe next I'll try it underneath makeup and see if it keeps my nose from getting oily in the first place. All right, next up here we have what looks like a little cream, and this is from the brand Melove. And this is the Night Renewer Glycol Acid Cream. And this is supposed to provide a gentle exfoliation while hydrating your skin to reveal smoother and brighter skin. This comes with 2 fluid ounces of product and a very hard to... Oh, there's plastic on the outside. I was saying a very hard to open lid, but maybe if you take the plastic off of it first, it won't be that hard. Oh, every time. Why is my depth perception so bad? Alright, so inside we just have a standard looking cream. There's not much of an intense smell, but I do still have a cold, so maybe it would smell different to somebody with functioning nostrils. But it's just very, very light, and it just looks like a regular, thick, nice moisturizing cream. Okay, next up here we have something from Kiss Your Cravings Goodbye. And this is Behave Aid Junk Food Crave Reducing Lip Moisturizer. That's one of the most unusual things I've ever heard of. What? It says, no discouragement. Oh, no discouragement. Okay, pun. Behavior modification tool to help you break up with junk food. Does it taste like cupcakes or something? So it feels like you're eating cupcakes when you're just licking your lips? What? Okay, so this is what it looks like on the front. Not making this up. This is supposed to help you reduce your cravings of junk food, which I mean, I hope it works because oh boy, do I crave junk food. I can go 3 or 4 days like doing amazing on a diet, and then before I know it, I'm in front of my computer watching The Handmaid's Tale eating an entire bag of chocolate chips. So if this really works, that would be absolutely amazing. It says, trying to resist the sweet call of cake and candy or the salty lure of those crunchy chips. Ironically, this is just making me hungry. Kiss Your Cravings Goodbye is a stimulating peppermint lip moisturizer that freshens your breath while helping you keep your cravings at bay. And then it says how to use, apply with Behave Aid lip wand, and then drink water. This is absolutely fascinating to me. Okay, so it's literally trying to like change your behavior. It's not like tricking you into thinking you're eating, but it says Behave Aid is a tool that changes the methodology of cravings by replacing the urge with a tangible action. Applying KYCG will temporarily shift focus away from snacking and encourage water consumption by making you thirsty. This is the most interesting thing I've ever seen. All right, and because I'm 100% constantly hungry, let's go ahead and try this on. I don't have any water though. I still gotta do it anyway. All right, so it comes in just like a little tube with a doe foot applicator. It does smell very, very nicely minty. Oh, it's not thick at all. It's like oil almost. It tastes like the inside of a peppermint patty. I don't think you're supposed to reduce your cravings by literally licking it off your lips, but it tastes pretty good. This is just so different to me. I mean, I am on a diet, so if this helps, that would be amazing, but I've just never heard of anything like this. I understand that it's trying to kind of like, I don't know, is this some type of psychology thing? I feel like I'm being Pavlov's dogged by myself. So like every time I apply the lipstick, instead of wanting to eat food, I want to drink water because I've conditioned myself to drink water every time I've applied like the lip product. Is that what's happening? Anyway, one of the most interesting products I've ever seen. Let me know how you feel about this down below in the comments. All right, and last but not least, we have something fun and sparkly here. We have a peel off glitter. Ooh, from Butter London, and this is in a beautiful shimmery shiny gold shade. Ooh, this is called Gold Rush, and as always, my nails are prepared for paint because there's never any paint on them. All right, so that went on super duper thick with glitter, but it is very, very pretty and gold. Anyway, guys, that is all I had in this box to show you. There are some highly interesting items in here, and these are just some of the things that you guys can add on to your spring FabFitFun boxes. Like I said before, if you guys would like to save $10 off your first box, you can use the code that is right here on the screen or down below in the description. And also, if you would like to win a couple of the little items, oh my gosh, a couple of little items that came inside of the box, just leave me a comment down below saying what your favorite item was out of the box today, and I will pick a winner on February 20th. And again, just thank you so very much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. You guys are really awesome. And that is everything I have for you guys today. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!